Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a straight cut on a piece of sheet metal. Most of the time, those professionals out there will use a grinder with a cutting wheel. However, it's going to require more skill, and also with the grinder you can do a contour cut. But since you only do a straight cut on a sheet of metal, it could be this thin or it can be as thick as a 1/4 inch. The easier way would be using the circular saw with the circular saw metal cutting wheel. So you can buy this at either Home Depot or Lowe's for about $6. So I'm gonna do a quick demo on how you're gonna do this, with the hope that it's gonna help some novice user out there. So before I start that, you're gonna need a mask, you're gonna need glove, you're gonna need the ear protection and also the eye protection. Since when you're doing the cut on the metal, there's gonna be a lot of sparkling. So try to cover your skin as much as you can. And I'm gonna start it, cut it. Okay, so I'm all set up with a sheet of metal. I clamp it down, I get a straight edge. So here I am, start cutting it. Okay, so that is how easy to cut the sheet metal using the cutting plate for the circular saw. This is easy to cut. It's a lot cheaper compared with cutting with the circular saw using the carbide blade, because the carbide blade probably costs you about $36–40. So that's it. I hope it's a quick video would help someone out there just in case you need to do a straight cut on a sheet metal. Thank you.